Opera News Hub instantly rejects articles with more than 40% copied text on original content. To avoid rejections, accounts flag or losing revenue, follow these rules. The first thing is to paraphrase everything completely. Never copy and paste text directly. Read multiple sources for a story. Extract the core facts and rewrite the article completely using your own words and sentence structure. Secondly is to add your own perspective. Bring fresh value by adding commentary, extra content, historical background, or unique analysis that wasn't in the original source. The third thing is avoid overquoting. Another thing is to rewrite headlines. Copying headlines word for word from major news outlets triggers the automatic plagiarism detection system. Always craft a fresh or unique title for your own draft. And lastly, cite sources properly. Mention where the primary information came from. You can just state it in your article, like according to an information statement. By doing that, you will maintain credibility and transparency. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.